Salon, yeah, even without, hey,
Hey,
ice cold. Look me in my eyes. Yeah. Look me in my eyes. Look me in my eyes. Can't you see the pain in my world? Every day it rains. People say that I'm strange, but I never been strange.
Look inside my eyes, you can feel my pain. Look inside my soul, you can see the strain. If you saw my heart, you would see the strings. In my world, it always rains. In my eyes, all I see is black. Putting my all into this track. Working all day, no time for slack. All I ask is for recognition. Standing on the side, holding my position. And my mind is not consistent. Calling me bipolar cause I'm steady tripping. See no evil, I am no witness. They ask why my mind is gone. All I say is it went missing. If you really wanna hear me, you would listen. 3 days later, he was risen. All to make me find this cleansing. But I keep on sinning and forgetting to look around and see all my blessings. All I seem to make is all these messes. Don't wanna look back and keep regretting.
Look me in my eyes, can't you see the pain in my world? Every day it rains. People say that I'm strange, but I never been strange. Every day I got regrets, wondering when I get blessed. Okay. Yeah, ice cold, Salon. Yo, see I'm lost in the realm, lost at sight. I've been doing wrong, I can't find it right, and it only seems right when it's after night, and I do it all alone cause I can't find a wife. So I turn to ice and I'm nothing like nice. If they hit me once, then I hit them back twice. They gon' have to pay me back on another day, cause the pain and the anger burned the circuits in my brain. I need to pause for a second and count my life blessings. And even though I pray, a nigga still stressing. Writing down notes, trying to learn life's lessons. I was floating unhappy and now I drowned in depression. Where these niggas keep flexing, keep flexing. Ice cold. Look me in my eyes, can't you see the pain in my world? Every day it rains. People say that I'm strange, but I never been strange. Every day I got regrets, wondering